Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Larry. This is my first video on my first YouTube channel. Me and my wife, we flip furniture. We find it anywhere from Goodwill to the side of the road. We pay anywhere from $10 to nothing. We may have to end up doing a little bit of work, but we may have to end up doing a whole lot of work. It all depends on what it looks like when it gets here. So hopefully, if we can help anybody out, give anybody any pointers, any ideas, or anybody can help us out, all comments and thoughts are more than welcome here. So on to the first project. Okay, this is our first project that we're doing on our YouTube channel. But my wife picked up this twin size bed frame. It was just I guess a junk bed frame at a yard sale, and they let her have it for free, so she took it. But she decided we're going to paint it white because we figured, hey, we paint everything else white and it sells like hotcakes. So we done this the same way, but in the process of painting it, she kind of dropped it, or it got knocked over. I don't know. I'm not blaming anybody. Either way, I had to putty some of the big indentions and gouges up in order for us to repaint it and get ready for the first sale. Okay, everything's sanded down, all the putty's sanded down smooth, and now it's ready for her to paint. All right, guys, we've moved the bed frame over to my wife's garage, and as you can see, she's touching it up. There she is in all her glory. So we may have another part to this video showing the whole bed assembled, but maybe not, depending on weather, depending on everything, because, well, today's the 4th of July and we're gonna party and get in the pool.